Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and in this video, I show the processes for creating the journal I made for Junk Journal July. I do pop in from time to time to talk about what I'm working on or what I'm doing at that time. So I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. So this is where I am with the cover. So I've just stitched and added these little pink vellum pockets on the front. Now I'm going to work on the closure and get that taken care of, and then I think next I will be going ahead and stitching in the signature. Okay, so the eyelets are in. I don't know if anyone knows how to stop them from splitting like this. Please let me know. I don't like that they split, and I know that they're not supposed to. And I don't know. Maybe these are the ones that have the additional washer on them. They don't split because it's two pieces and it works together well. But there was no second piece for these. Anywho, so now I'm going to get ready to stitch in the spine. I'm going to use this little handy tool to do that. I showed this previously. It's a Journal Punch Cradle. So this goes in here like this, and I will use my template to punch the holes. And I'm going to do this will be my first time doing the pamphlet stitch, which is the one with the 5 holes instead of 3. So this will be a learning experience for me too. Here is my signature. I've just been working on adding a few pockets and doing some stitching and trying to get it ready to go. I think I'm at the point now that I just need to go ahead and bind it. So I will make sure all of my pages are in position. I'm going to put some binder clips on, and then I will go ahead and use the template to punch the holes.